I don't know why, but I like that road. It's like calm, just beside of the water. That building is a school for a prison school. It's all that building just to give lesson for some screw. Anyway, but yeah. It's a training center. The only bridge that has payment. $7.72 just to cross that bridge. It's insanity. I never even used it. Only time that I passed on it was somebody that paid, because me, I refuse to pay that amount. I'm gonna make a nice turn around just for that, like most of people. But this is the only place around here where you have to pay for pass. I know that America is used to that, but here we're enough taxes like that. So. But here it's so funny because there's 3 scrapyard and not in even a kilometer. So. Anyway, there's one that put the truck. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but that truck with their price on it. Anyway, AIM. They buy every kind, ferrous, non-ferrous. Kenny U-Paul, only for the cars. And TMR, the best price around here. Quite heavy, but my truck is screaming that needs to take off weight. So. In line, it's cool. $5,340. All my tanks are dropped over there. 100% loaded. Total 1,320 pounds. Still 265 per ton. 159 bucks. Not bad, not bad at all. Damn, it's freezing cold outside. Oh, now my truck is happy, but gonna slide. Hopefully see you tomorrow. So that contact is awesome because now I was getting ready my load of windows. Not too bad, seriously, but it's looking good. So I'm gonna go break some windows. I was cleaning my corner right now, right there, and suddenly my plumber called me and told me he had a tank for me. I said, where are you at? He said, I'm just like a corner and a half. So he didn't know where I was live, and now he knew because he bring me directly on spot. I didn't even move for it. Happy about that, seriously. As I said, the plumber called me. He said, yeah, I have another tank for you. It's in my truck. So where are you able to meet me up, sir? And he said, I'm at the, that street and that street. I'm like, wait a minute. Me, I'm working on loading it. So everything is really tight. I could have put it on the tailgate, but I wouldn't mess with those windows and I don't feel like it at all. So I was like, okay. I gave him my address and he bring me directly a water heater. So he said, blah, blah, blah. I keep all the brass and, but he didn't took that piece on top. But he said he keeps all his copper and his brass, but he will call me often. Seriously, every time he get out the water heater or a bath or whatever, he's gonna call me. So next time I bring him some coffee. What is up, YouTube? I'm gonna go grab my son. He's at the interior pool for the free swim. I grabbed that mastodon freezer. I should have filmed it because that was really, really funny on the snow. Damn it, boys, like maybe 350, 400 pounds, seriously. Alright, it's take almost all my bed. For my side of view, see, I need to move that up way. No choice. I'm wasting too much place, and I'm gonna bust that door up and put it sideways over there. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning. Maybe I'm gonna even try to put that whole water heater inside of it, sideways up like that. So I had to show you that. So I'm gonna go grab my son. Too cold today. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Living the dream one way or the other. What's going on, mini jackpot digger?
D'accord, ouais, c'est sûr, mais il fait avec les moyens du bord. Tiens-toi prêt. Voilà. Je veux du spectacle, de l'amour, du vécu. Fais-moi pleurer. Ça y est, on est dans 5 minutes. C'est à nous de jouer. Allez, au bleu.
Fire. Copper wire.
C'est quoi? Tu rêves de te balancer au loin depuis la première rencontre. C'est une blague, j'imagine. C'est pas une blague.
Scrap dance. I like that, the scrap dance. YouTube, just to want to show you something. I win the auction. Yeah, it's on his way. Yep, 50 bucks with shipping, end up like at 90 bucks. Not like at 90 bucks. Says it's excellent condition, so yeah, it's not the cheapest. Probably I could have a better deal, but it's not that cheap too, so it's not that bad. So on his way, I hope I won't regret it. I already bought a couple of cheap camera. I tried that one. Glasses. It's a bummer, seriously. Quality wash. And I had another one, still GoPro. I don't know if I kept it. Yeah, that one. That's the one that I put a video on it. It was glitching every time. I couldn't ship it back, but it was like 15 bucks, 18 bucks, I don't know, less than 20 bucks I paid for each of them. I tried, so I lost on that, but now I have the real thing coming at GoPro HD 180p. So yeah, on his way. So I'm gonna clean that for tonight, 9 o'clock. Tomorrow, hopefully, is going to be a good day. I didn't really show you much about my aluminium load, but it was amazing. Seriously, I worked my ass up over there. It was freezing cold, even though it was like not even -10 with the wind, but I passed like 5 hours dealing with them, breaking all the windows, make sure that there's no tiny screw. And end up pretty good. I end up cleaning up 258 pounds of extruded and 250, so 250 pounds of mix. So in total 500 pounds and 508 pounds of aluminium. Really not bad. So I found that freezer this on this weekend. Damn, it was heavy. You should see. It was almost funny to see me loading it. Seriously, I dropped it like maybe 2 or 3 times, but I managed to fit it in. And on my way back to get my son to the pool, on the video that little clip that I showed, I end up finding an oven, but I don't have. I missed the battery, so I wasn't able to film it. But yeah, so I have already a tank that I didn't even move. It was delivered directly to my place, so thumbs up to that plumber. I have that heavy freezer, like coffin almost. It's really big and heavy, almost 400 pounds seriously by itself, and already an oven. So already a good start for the week. Hope everybody had a nice weekend, and I'm wishing you all folks an awesome week. So today is Sunday, so I hope everybody who's watching this is gonna have an awesome week. Wish you all the luck and good merry holidays, happy holidays. It's getting soon, it's melting holidays, so yeah. Scrap till you die, tabarnak. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit thumbs up if you like, and see you later. Peace. Scrap till you die, tabarnak.
Bust open the walls just to get the wiring. Took the hot water tank and leftover appliances, aluminum siding, and had to come back cause the furnace so big it wouldn't fit in the back. Now it's copper by the pound, wired by the inch. Got a check on the first and it's gone by the fifth. Scrapyard, nigga.